Kada bakasyon namin, bago kami bumalik ng US, nag-i-stay muna kami ng ilang araw sa hotel bago kami bumiyahe. Since hindi kami nagpipirmi sa isang lugar, nagpapahinga muna kami bago kami sumabak ng 13-hour flight. Ever since I became a mom, requirement ko na talaga sa hotel na pag-i-stayan is yung may pool. Kasi si Iking mahilig sa tubig. And second requirement ko ngayon is dapat merong play area. Last time kasi sa Lime Hotel kami nag-stay. Sabi ko, nako, baka mamaya pagka wala pang play area sa mismong hotel, hindi na naman kami makalabas. Tatamarin na naman kami o kaya baka uulan or napakainit. Kaya napili namin magstay sa Okada. We got a top floor and it's a corner premium suite. At kailangan meron tayong pa-room tour. Sa lahat ng hotels na pinagstayhan namin, dito kami pinakamalaking ginastos. But hey, we deserve it. At mabalik nga tayo sa room tour. This room was just for the three of us. Pagpasok mo sa room, sa kaliwa is merong powder room. Isa sa nagustuhan namin sa Okada is yung mga inidoro nila. Kahit sa public areas, ganyan din. Ito naman yung pinaka main area. Sa gilid, nandun yung minibar and merong entertainment center and they have an L-shaped sofa and merong ding dining table. And the best part is there's the view of Manila Bay. Sa right side naman is yung view ng Entertainment City. For 3 people, talagang malaki siya. We were expecting a few guests, but since I'm big on privacy, they're booked on a different room. And this is the bedroom. I requested for a double bed. And they have another TV in the room. Dito naman sa side is yung walk-in closet nila with vanity. And this is the bathroom. It has its own jacuzzi. And the shower room is separate from the toilet. Nagamit namin itong jacuzzi kasi hindi naman kami nakaligo sa pool. And it also has his and her sink. Then let's walk towards the balcony. So bago mo mabuksan yung balcony, kailangan mo munang pumirma ng waiver sa front desk. And then before we get there, meron siyang office area sa corner. And this is the view. Yun nga lang, dito sa Okada, mapapalaban ka talaga ng lakaran. But what's nice about it is lahat ng kailangan mo nandun na sa loob, hindi mo nakakailanganin lumabas pa ng vicinity. Plus, walang reklamo si EK kasi everywhere is air-conditioned. One of the reasons why we chose this place is we don't want to hop from one place to another. We just don't have the energy for that anymore. And this is the ambience of Medley Buffet where we ate once a day, every day for 3 days. We chose to eat here once a day because EK is so picky. We don't know what food to offer her that she will eat. It's a bit expensive, but I think it's reasonable for the place. Their breakfast costs 1,888 per person. Their lunch is 2,888, and then their dinner is 4,088 pesos per person. There are plenty of dining options here, but again, EK is so picky. We go with where we think she'll eat.
Marami pa ba iniba?
Ano lang, kasi hindi na tayo bumabata.
Mga trentahin kasi itong mga to.
Okay lang yan na itong
sa play.
Basta sa mga sweets.
At eto na nga, ang part na favorite ni Ike, which is play. Hindi ko na binigyan ng choice si Jong at si Paula. Binayaran ko na rin yung adult entrance nila para tatlo kaming maghabol kay Ike. I want to share to them the joy of the experience of running after a toddler.
Her own time in her own pace.
Tiyak na naman tuloy ako. Dito naman sa labas yung fountain and light shows nila every night na hindi na namin napanood kasi every night while we were there is umuulan. Ito naman yung outdoor pool area nila. At the time that we were checked in, yung indoor pool nila, which is the Cove, is currently closed for private events. Ang mistake namin dito, kaya hindi na kami nakapag-swimming, is chinek muna namin yung pool area. And then we realized that it's so far pala from where our room was at. Kailangan mo pang maglakad or sumakay sa golf cart and then lakad ulit ng malayo. Kaya by the time that, we were supposed to swim, tinamad na kami kasi we're gonna have to walk all the way down there na naman. But that's okay because Ike was still able to enjoy the water kasi nga we have jacuzzi in the room. Hi Ike! Good morning, Manila. Last day today. Hi, Ike. Since our flight doesn't leave until 11 p.m., we let Ike play one last time before we go. Ang galing. And this is our last look at Okada before we go to the airport. It was definitely a luxurious experience, one that I would like to do again when we come back. But our options are open in case something better comes up. Lahat naman ng decision namin and everything we do is because of EK. We always do and decide what's best for her, especially knowing how she hates the Philippines weather. So we don't mind splurging a bit more if it will make her feel comfortable. So goodbye for now, Philippines!